do it? That race car life, you know, you gotta eat that Thai ramen. Adjusting coilovers.
Sit right now.
See what he got on here. See what he got. So essentially you do this and this and this, and it goes lower. About to repaint these. You gotta, when you watch one season of Cobra Kai over here. Wax all, wax off. That juice, boy. All right, fellas. So when you paint wheels, you always use cards and you clip them on the side of the rim. And in this case, we use Kehlani's animal cards. See how it blocks it from getting on the tire, and it keeps the paint air inside the rim area. And you want to, you know, do coats, evenly coats, and you gotta have a flick of the wrist, you know. Look at that, boys. Majestic blue, mag blue. Alright, so as y'all know, this is the Civic that I've been driving, been working on. This is my other car, JDM front Integra DB8 shell, but motor fucked up on me, lost compression, so it's been sitting. Oh yeah, it's been sitting for a while, collecting dust, all these Cali fire ashes. So I didn't want to get rid of the car, really didn't, but you know, responsibilities and priorities led me to sell this car. So I sold it to one of the guys, one of the homies, and you know, he's gonna give me my motor back, so that's okay with me. So I'm getting this motor back, and it is a 20 VTEC and a DB8 shell. So I didn't record this, but swap to bigger piping.
Check it up, bro.
Check it up, check it up.
Good?
More?
Yeah. Right?
That's good?
Keep going. Keep going. Stop. Go up.
Go up?
A little bit, yeah.
Right there?
Keep going. Keep going, keep going. More. Keep going. A lot more, a lot more. Alright, alright. Oh, fuck.
Down?
Yeah. Alright. Double hammer.
Sir, I heard that go through. That was the back bolt. And then we're gonna put this Tanabe hyper medallion. You know what I'm saying? That brand name shit, you know what I'm saying? So we had to drop the LCA and the sway bar because the stock piping was welded.
One eternity later.
Put her in the hole. You know I can fit these in the hole. You know what I'm saying? By the way. Yeah.
You know, can you push it up? No, I push it up. You hooked it already?
No, just did it.
Suck it in?
I should hit it with the plastic thing on the front. The bottom of the car. This.
Twisted?
Yeah, let's get into that.
Can you go give me the other one? The other exhaust?
The long one?
Yeah.
That one was hella long. I tried to put it on mine.
Yeah.
I'll put it in. Wait. Fireball!
Yeah, okay, twist this.
This one actually might actually work.
Yeah. So try to pull yours out with it?
That's stuck.
Just hanger it. Down too low?
Nah, that's good. It's touching?
Huh?
It's touching? It's just the hangers.
Okay, hang on. Man, this shit is fucking. I gotta put bolts. Can you give me that shit? How was it this? Damn, shit.
One eternity later.
Sheesh. That's with the silencer, guys. It has a silencer still on there. Huh?
That shit going.
It's going. It's harder. It's harder now.
You can feel that shit.
Yeah. Before you couldn't
It's
really.
grabbing now. Look.
Yeah. Before you couldn't really feel it. Now you be feeling that motherfucker. What's up, guys? It's Friday, and about to get a haircut by the boy Ricky, my roommate, aka the bro. About to get a haircut, and then about to get our day started. Yes, sir. You know what it is. Do some car shit today, and drink some Hennessy. Nah, just like. All right. So if y'all never changed oil on a Honda before, there's an oil filter in the back of the block. I don't know if I can see it. Can you guys see it from this angle? Well, it's on the back of the block, under the intake manifold. Essentially, you'll remove this for the nut though.
The nut's on the windshield.
Huh?
The nut's on the windshield.
So essentially, you'll move that nut right here. Okay, this nut. Unless y'all want to move my nut for me. You'll essentially move this nut. It's a 17, 19? 17 millimeter. And it's on the oil pan. Under the car, on the oil pan. Make sure it's the oil pan, not the transmission. Don't do what I did one time. Thought I drained the oil. I drained the transmission.
This is completely different. I don't know how you mix that up.
Your boy thought he was fast. Actually, your boy went K series for a year or two, and was messing with K series. And you know, K series flipped around, so your boy thought that it was on the right side, but it went back to B series, and you know, my mind was a little messed up. But yeah, you pull that nut off first, let it drain, and you'll pull the oil cap off, so that way it drains easier. And then while most of the oil drains out, you'll take off the oil filter and replace it. And you guys want to put some oil on the new one around the tips, the edges right here. I don't know, just around here. You want to put some oil around there, so that way. I don't know why, but I've been doing it. Just do it. Just do it. That's pretty much how you change oil. I think what LS B20 or B series take what 3.8 quarts, 4 quarts. I think take 4 quarts of oil. I think K series is like 5 quarts or some shit. I forgot.
Oh, I usually put the whole thing.
Well, it all depends. Usually, you always check it. I always put, I think, 3.5 quarts or something like that. And I'll make it. I'll have the car flat after. I'll jack stands and everything, and I'll let it sit for like a couple minutes, and then check the dipstick, see where it's at, put some more in there, and then just top it off. So that's what I usually do. And whenever we work on cars, this is essentially my job. I just hold the flashlight and hand the tools. So I don't do shit, man. I'm just the cameraman now. Alright, so I'm gonna be putting my stock intake back on. Because I was just messing around one night, I was bored, so I just threw my AM custom intake with my blocks velocity stack on this single cam, my daily, just for the fuck of it. But I keep throwing that check engine light because this sensor is not plugged in, so I'm about to put my stock intake back on. It's a daily driver anyway, so I don't need this fucking intake. Just messing around. I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to fucking take an intake off, but yeah, it's this from the throttle body. That's pretty much it. I didn't end up putting the stock box back on. I just used the tube, so I could have the sensor plugged in and also have this plugged in, running there with the stock tubing with the blocks velocity stack. I'm gonna run the AEM. Yes, sir. Ain't gotta leave shit stuck around here. This carb legal, so hey, good. We're just cruising right now to Buffalo Wild Wings, me and Ricky. And then we're about to meet up Justin over there. Justin had to take his dad somewhere real quick, so he's gonna tell him to meet us over there. So we're on the way to Buffalo Wild Wings right now. Just cruising. Somebody's birthday. Okay, JS, got an intake. Sheesh. Now you hear the VTEC more.
Yeah, that shit screams. I'm not even going anywhere.
My shit, I don't even hear my shit for some reason.
Try sucking out.
Straight pipe install. This nigga about to pull all the bitches, because all the bitches gonna be like, but Dad, Mom, he has a straight pipe Civic. I got a straight pipe Civic too, though.
Watch out.
Start her up.
Earphones, what's that called? Like, what's that warning?
Volume up.
Headphones and earphones.
Headphone users, beware.
Yeah, beware.
Ooh.
Yeah, you want to use that, don't you? What? What?
I don't have leaks, so that's just love.
Alright guys, it's gonna be the end of the video. You know, we'll just try to find some content and some stuff to record for y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a night, and I'm finna fuck up this burrito. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.